Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you some new content to help you on your credit journey and how to rebuild your credit. So, what we have here is Capital One credit card upgrade. This is a no hard inquiry credit hack. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you like this video and also consider subscribing to the channel. Um, One thing about Capital One, it is a company where you can get into the door even if you're in your credit rebuilding process. And some of you guys that have Capital One cards, the great part about Capital One, they have low end cards and very high end cards. So this is going to show you how to upgrade. I'm going to have a link at the bottom of the description. Make sure you go to that link and click on the link. One other key point, always remember when you're applying for credit, you have better results when you have attacked your collections. I also have a collection removal letter that if you need it, it will be in the description. But make sure you try to remove your collections and also control your hard inquiries. If you need a free hard inquiry removal letter, I also have that in the description. So first, once you hit the link that's in the description, you are going to come to this page. And what you want to do is to sign in to your Capital One online account. You want to enter in your username and also your password. So once you enter in your information, you're going to come to this screen and it's going to show you if you are eligible for upgrade, and it'll show you which current card you have and how you can upgrade up to the next level of your card. Now, if you're not currently getting this pop up, or if it's saying that it's not available, it could be your account could be in the arrears, or your account might be too young, or you haven't had the account long enough to be eligible for this upgrade. So it usually take about 6 months before you can get this upgrade on average. Now, what you can do is upgrade if you currently have the Journey card or the Capital One Platinum card. You can in turn upgrade to the Quicksilver Capital One card. Now, the Quicksilver do offer different rewards, but one of them is being 1.5% on your purchases. Your interest rate will be dictated on your current credit score. Like I said, it is best for you if you can remove as many hard inquiries as possible. If you need that hard inquiry removal free letter, feel free to click on it at my website. Also, you want to make sure you get rid of your collections. If you need a collection removal letter, you can get it in the description. But this will also help you get a larger line of credit for you to qualify for. So I hope this was informational. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put it in the description. If you need my personal service, I do credit analyzation. If you have a number of hard inquiries because you have recently applied for a vehicle, reach out if you need help. We could possibly get them removed within 24 hours. So I hope this was informational for you. Enjoy your evening.